Hi all, welcome to codingnonsense.com. So in today's video, we are going to understand about how to integrate Spring Cloud Vault with SpringBoot 3 as a native image. So you can go ahead and visit codingnonsense.com website, and over there you can have a look at this page titled Going Not Native with SpringBoot 3 and Spring Cloud Vault. All the steps for the configuration and everything is mentioned over here, and also project link will be available in this page once this video is done. So you can actually go ahead and check out that project in from GitHub and can do vault setup locally and verify the integration between Spring Boot 3 and Spring Cloud Vault as a native image. For the vault setup, we also have Spring Cloud Vault setup for local environment. So you don't need to have any vault configured on any server. You can use it and try it locally as well. All the stuff for the same is also mentioned on this page. So for the same, I have already made the vault up and running using the Docker Compose from the vault setup folder in the project. So my vault is up and running. You can see the root token over here. Using this token, I have already logged in to the Vault UI, which is hosted at 8200 port. And once I have logged in, I have created the secrets in the Vault backend within the Spring Native folder and the dev environment. The key for the same is test.demo, and we are going to use this test.demo key to actually get the value which is saved over here as a credentials. So going ahead with my application, if you can see the pom.xml file, we do have three dependencies for Vault over here. Currently the Vault is not in the stable version as I'm actually recording this video, so we have utilized the snapshot version for the same, which is native compatible, and soon they will be releasing the stable version for it, so you can go ahead and use the same when you are implementing it in your project at that moment. So for now these dependencies are present, and we have created a controller which is mapped as nonsense, and the get mapping for the same method is check value to actually check the value which is present in this repo app properties. This test demo is the one that we are going to use. So this test demo is placed in Vault repository, and we are going to access it in our application. For Vault to actually run in the native image, reflections is also need to be provided to it. So this is the particular type reference in the hint class that we have, runtime hint class that we have created, and within this we have provided this type reference of this Vault tenth indicator, and then only Vault is actually able to run as a native image or a native executable. To save time, I have already made the application up and running, so it has started in 0.665 second. You can see it over here. Okay, so it is running on localhost 8080. My Vault is present, my Vault is up and running, my credentials are present over there, and my application is also running as a native image. So let's go ahead and test it. So HTTP localhost 8080 is the port, and nonsense slash check value is the one that we are going to call the URI. So it is the get mapping. If I send the request, you can see I am receiving the value as nonsense, which is the credential that I have saved in the Vault. If you see it over here, nonsense is the credential that I have already saved. Okay, so in this way we are able to connect and integrate Vault, Spring Cloud Vault with our Spring Boot 3 application, and we can run it as a native executable. Okay, so that's all for today. Please do have a look at codingnonsense.com, and also do subscribe the video, subscribe the channel, and like the video for much more videos like this to be present in the future. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.